Here's another simple second income. Let me show you. You can make money even while you sleep. Write children's books and earn $2,000 a month. Okay, here's how. Go to Amazon.com. Click on the menu tab. Scroll down to Kindle e-readers and books. Then scroll down to Kindle books. Click the link. Just be patient, then scroll down to children's books. Click the link. You also can search by category. You can tell these books are selling just look at the reviews. You can use these books as motivation and inspiration. If you click on a book, you can see a sample of the book. So if you're not a good copywriter, you can also Google Children Books PLR. You get good PLR books for free. Or you can join Fiverr and get some good illustrations. Then follow the prompts KDP. Like, share, follow.